morning everybody, Pearl and Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today we have day number 7 of our Advent kit. As you can see, we have great value so far. We've gotten collectibles, a paper pack, a die, stickers, lots of fun things. And let's see what is going to be in day number 7. I'll open it up.
Yes. Wait, this feels like so hard.
It does.
Like the other. I think it's one of those dies.
Oh, let's have a look.
Another die.
No, it's not a die. It's a wooden laser cut. How cool is that? So it's got some great words. Enjoy, believe, you, life and love. So a beautiful wooden laser cut in day number 7. Do you like those, Belle?
Yeah.
They're really cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Join us again tomorrow where we will open up day number 8. See you next time.
Bye.